Say happy birthday to Popper.
Happy birthday to you, Popper. Happy birthday, dear Popper. Happy birthday, dear Popper. Happy birthday, dear Popper.
Yay!
Yay!
Do you have anything to say to Popper?
I want some cake.
You want some cake?
Yeah.
Do you think Popper had a cake for his birthday?
I want cake. Who wants cake? This is Owen. The box Owen.
Okay, bye, Robin.
Bye.
Say see you later, Popper.
See you later, Popper.
Anything else to tell Popper? Robin, anything else to tell Popper? Okay, bye. Bye, Robin.